This is a 1951 Ford Restomod two-door coupe. Beautiful car. The color green they chose is beautiful, very, very reflective. Unfortunately, the windows are closed, so there's a lot of interference here when you're looking through with reflections, but you can see that the upholstery is first rate. Nice steering wheel. I'm sure the gauges and so forth have been restored or replaced. And looking under the hood here, we have a modern braking system and an upgraded Ford overhead valve V8 and air conditioning. So this car is ready for all kinds of weather. You can see clearly that the front end of this car is a 51 model. Notice the twin bullets up front there. So this is a 51. Of course, Ford wouldn't have installed the overhead valve V8 at the factory until 1954. There you get a little bit better look at the interior. Really great that the car has air conditioning. And when we get around to the back of the car, there's something that doesn't quite fit, and that is the taillights, which you will see are not 51 taillights, but the ones that were on the 49 and 50 Fords. But in my mind, that really doesn't make any difference. And you can see how the trunk area has been redone. It's beautifully done.